Your hair really dry like mine and matted, very shrinked like mine? Don't think of using comb. Follow me and let me show you how to obtain this without combing your hair. Your hair is going to look as soft and moisturized as never before. See how soft my hair is. Continue watching this video because I'm going to show you how to obtain this shortly. Hey guys, what is up? What is going on with you all? I hope you are doing great as I am. Okay, so thank you so much for clicking on this video. Actually, today's video is going to be how to revive your dry, matted, natural hair. I mean, natural fussy hair. You know what I'm saying? Okay, so I'm going to start by wetting my hair with this water. Actually, I'm not going to use it in its pure form like this, because if I show you how matted and dry my hair is, this will waste time. So I'm just going to go ahead and pour the water inside my hair and make sure that it's really wet, soaked in water. Then I have my Jamaican black castor oil, yes, and I have my Cantu leave-in conditioner. I have my Vaseline. Okay, the Vaseline is here, and what I have here is shea butter in its raw state, and Vaseline is here, and I have my Cantu leave-in conditioner and the Jamaican black castor oil. Everything is mixed together in here, so I'll be using just the water and this. Yes, so let me show you my hair. First of all, I'll wet my hair with the water. Every day, make sure that you moisturize your hair with water most of the time. Okay. Now, massage also helps the hair to grow very fast. So I'll advise you to be massaging your scalp like every single day. Okay. So once I'm done, I'm just going to go ahead and add mine. Yeah, never quit massaging. You know, massage helps the blood to circulate very well in the scalp, which promotes hair growth. Okay, so that is the main reason why I love massaging my scalp every single day. Okay, so I think now the hair is a little soft. Wow. Okay, so I'm going to divide it so that I can. I hope I did it well. Well, it can't be too perfect though, but let me hold one part. So after dividing my hair into sections, I'm going to go ahead and start from the back and, you know, work on it and make sure that there are no knots in the hair. The hair is so, you know, feeling all good. So in place of our comb, I'm going to detangle it with my fingers. I mean, finger detangle your hair. That is the best way, you know. Yeah, you don't lose too much hair afterwards. Go ahead and add some. Now after I add the little cream to my hair, you see how soft my hair looks right now. Detangling it has been very easier. I didn't go in with any comb, but I can run my hand through my hair. Once I'm done, I'll just go ahead and twist the hair up. Before you twist your hair, please make sure that anytime that you're twisting, you divide the hair into equal parts in order not to burrow along the line. Ha! Can you see that? Okay, so right now my hair is soft and moisturized. So I'm going to do the same thing to the rest of the hair. One tip I'll give you is to avoid using combs in your hair too much. It will break your hair down. Yeah. Natural fussy hair is a very beautiful hair. Like anyone who will tell you that your hair isn't beautiful, just tell the person, I said your hair is a very beautiful hair. Now see how soft and moisturized my hair looks. What? Wow. It's really, very soft. Now see, my hair is back to life. Oh my god. Like very soft and fluffy and everything. So there's the right way to, moisturize your dry hair. Whenever you think it's too matted, you don't know how to go about it. Now, do you know what your hair needs most? It's water. Like, as I said before, you always have to make sure that your hair is really, really soaked in water, very moisturized and very, very soft. That's, you always have to make sure that you have water in your spray bottle. You have your spray bottle beside you every day, and then you just, spraying some water in your hair before you go to bed, and add some grease to your scalp. Yeah, to seal the moisture in. That's it. Your hair will look so soft every day. Now, I was just thinking of, getting a cornrow at the right side of my hair. Yeah, I know I'm not too perfect with that, but I tried. Yeah. Now, continue watching so that we see how the end results look like. And if you haven't subscribed yet, take this opportunity to subscribe to the channel. It's free just for today. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Subscribe to the channel and also give this video a thumbs up and share the video with your friends. Those your friends who are having dry hair that they don't know how to go about it, just share this video with them and they'll thank you like forever. Okay, so this is the end results of our journey today. How do I look? Tell me, how do I look? Wow. My hair is really soft. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please don't forget to leave a comment about how you moisturize your hair, alright? How you revive your dry hair in the middle of the week or whenever. Thank you so much for watching this video to the end, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!